So Shiba recovering right now while we speak and respecting our ascending line that we draw here. Okay, so what will happen right now for Shiba if we want to see the squeeze or the price go to 0.4043? So this is the game plan right now. We're gonna do it together, and we talk about Dogecoin because Dogecoin talk about Elon Musk and tweet about it, and that's why the price went again. It did double top around the 0.2164. So what we should expect for both of them on all the market, okay? Because if we go here and see Bitcoin, because this is the big wave changer for a lot of coin, we can see that Bitcoin went down from our support here. This is kind of a bearish sign. Again, we still bearish, okay? This line show us that Bitcoin is in bearish momentum, and as we said, the last bottom for Bitcoin before even a big sell-off is 39.64. Just put this on notification just in case, okay? Any price go above again the 43, 42 will have an avalanche of momentum for a lot of coin, and the price will go higher. So right now for Shiba, what we should expect, if we respected this ascending line, we're gonna see the prices squeeze, and you know what's gonna happen? This is what will happen. Bomb, 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 then exploding when we overcome this resistance around the 0.4033. So what I do, look with me, already have the trigger around the 0.4033 alert Shiba USDT crossing this price target. So always I do alert on trading view. So if you want to do your alert and trading view, join us on the link in comment section below if you want to make a lot of alerts so you never miss any updates, and the price will just pop up on your laptop or it will be notification on your email. That's why I do. Get your discount in the link comment section below. And as I said, we when the price hit our level of interest here, or the 0.4033, this will be interesting if we close above, and we expecting the price to go jumping almost 25% again up. Okay, this will be important for Shiba. If we don't and the price doesn't hold this level, I already have another price that will warn me for a massive sell-off again, which is around the 0.402919 for Shiba. For Doge, I can see here we have two levels of interest. The first one, it doesn't trigger around the 0.2181, and the next one is the support around the 0.1805. So I'm trapping kind of the price between two levels, okay? The level of squeeze and explosion, so I didn't miss the price jump, and the price when we go down, so I never miss any price going down and short the market as well. Let me just check it. Yeah, it's going up. However, in the big picture for BNB is still bearish because we are inside this ascending line, and so I expect the price to hit a resistance and going back again around the 500. Right now it's 485, so the price will go up, even go up will get rejected and go back again down for BNB. So this is important level for BNB to tell us, are we still in bearish momentum? Are we starting to have reversal and exploding to all-time high around the 655? So I'm just watching right now, and as I said, shorting because the market could go down and go back here around the 435 and get my profit around this area. Okay, so if you want to trade on Bitget as well, you can actually use my 158 trial fund on Bitget, and you can trade here. You can have a mini leverage until the 75x, and you can use it on where? Yes, USD Tether future, not the spot but future. Okay, and you can short and buy buy limit order, sell limit order, so you can buy and short the market at the same time. So if you have any question, comment section below, and let's get us ready to hunt. See you in the next update.